hello, fellow vintage lovers. No actual shopping footage today, just a haul, but oh my gosh, did I find some cool things. I actually found several of these items at Goodwill. I can't believe it. I had not been back to my local Goodwill in well over a month because every time I went, I didn't find anything. It was the same broken items on the shelves, and I don't know if I happened to get there as they were restocking or right after they had, but there were so many good things on the shelves, I was in shock. And they weren't broken. Oh my goodness. I also stopped by another thrift store, Value World Thrift, which can be dicey. That's putting it mildly. Some of the clientele is a little bit scary. I've had a few encounters in there, and usually they don't have anything, but I found 3 things there yesterday as well. I'm sorry, 2 things. And I just can't wait to show you guys. Oh my goodness. I also went to one of my favorite antique malls, Antiques Gallery of Mesquite. I think that's the closest antique mall to me. So I picked up a few things there, but honestly, most of these were thrifted from Goodwill. Can you believe it? I cannot. Today I want to start with these brooches. Oh my gosh, they are absolutely phenomenal. They are so blingy. They're in great shape. None of them are missing a rhinestone. There is this steel gray one with the AB Aurora Borealis rhinestones in it. This has a nice weight to it. It's definitely a quality piece, and I don't know that it's vintage. It's not marked anywhere. It could be new, but if it's new, it's definitely really well made. It's really cool. And then next to that is this ginormous brooch. This one is gold tone, as you can see. I believe it's probably like a flower design. It's just gorgeous. It has some really nice stones on it as well. I love how it's shining in this light. I don't think this one is marked. I don't think any of these 3 are marked. But gosh, guys, look at the bling on this. It's just absolutely beautiful. Then I got this one. Now this, I'm assuming, is modern. It has this winged heart and this star. And this one also has a lot of bling to it. Here is the back of it, no marking. I just thought this was cool. I love that design. I've always loved the winged hearts. Reminds me of an album, one of my favorite ones, The Wild Heart by Stevie Nicks. I won't go into that though. Then this one is definitely a flower. As you can see, it has these orange petals. It has Aurora Borealis beads along it as well. This orange part is plastic. I did check, it does not glow. Here is the back. I believe this is probably a modern piece too, but I just think it's beautiful. So I went ahead and got that. I picked this up. Gosh, I guess I got this at Value World Thrift. I was trying to remember if I went anywhere else. As I clink that tonala, oh my goodness. I'm not quite sure who makes this. It may be the cherry blossom pattern. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't think those are cherry blossoms though. I did a Google lens. I haven't dug too much to see who made this, but it's absolutely beautiful. Those are not scratches. That's the actual etching on it. I know it's kind of hard to see it in this light with the gray on the desk, but this is a beautiful piece. I pick up these trays whenever I see them. They're usually pink. But I just love them. I think they have so many uses. There's so many ways you could use them in your display. They're beautiful on their own. They're absolutely gorgeous with jewelry on them, and I love them. This one is in excellent shape. No chips or scratches. Then I got this marigold carnival glass dish, and I do believe this is Indiana glass. Actually, I know it is. I have sold one of these before. It's in great shape. There are a couple of little flea bites on the edges. It's kind of got this tooth edge. There it is right there. I went ahead and got it anyway because I think this dish is beautiful. I love the basket weave pattern on it. It's just a really, really nice dish. Then here is the tonala. I did get this at the antique mall. It is marked Tonala, Mexico, as you can see there. This is one of the blue tonala pieces. I picked up 2 or 3 of these. And this one has a beautiful bluebird on it. It has flowers on this side. It's just a really cool little picture. It could be a planter. It's beautiful on its own. This right here is part of the manufacturing. It's not a flaw or a chip. It's just the way it was fired. I do believe how the glaze was applied, maybe. I'm not sure, but that's all underneath the glaze right there. Just absolutely gorgeous. So I love that. And then next to that, this is something I don't normally pick up, but I thought she was really cute. This is a music box, and it's a girl and her sheep. How cute is this? This is vintage. It's made in Taiwan. For the life of me, I cannot figure out what song is playing, but I thought she was just super cute, so I went ahead and picked her up. She's kind of Victorian looking with her clothes. I just absolutely love this. I think it's adorable. Oh, then back here, I did get this little golden book. This one is the Deep Blue Sea, and I have not seen this one before. It has this octopus and angelfish on the cover. This is from 1958, I do believe. This was for Gary Paul DeBose, 1958. This is the first printing. Be as gentle as I can here. 1958. So it talks about all the different animals that live in the sea. I'm going to rearrange this so I can just show you a couple pages because I think this book is really cool. There's a diver, which of course reminds me of Gina. There's some underwater volcanoes. There's all sorts of fish. Of course, my favorite page is the whales. I'm going to get to that. There's the shark page, which is awesome. Then it shows you all the different seabirds. Here we go. My favorite. Blue whale. I have seen one of those in the wild, guys. It was one of my favorite moments in my life. It was in California, off of San Diego coast. Anyway, love this book. I think it's super cool. Love how old it is. It's just a really neat find. Okay, so then back here, I got this gorgeous, very large cobalt blue pitcher. It is hand blown. Cannot talk today. I'm not going to lift it because it's kind of heavy, but it's in great shape. I did have to clean it. It was a little bit dusty, but gosh, it came out beautiful. I love the way it looks in this light. It's just a gorgeous piece. Love it. Okay, and then next to that, I picked up this dragonware vase. I did get this at the thrift store at Value World Thrift. This is a piece of dragonware I hadn't seen. Well, I hadn't seen it in this color pattern before. Kind of this goldish, orangish color. And of course, there is the dragon there, all hand painted. Old made in Japan there. I just thought this was super cool. I love dragonware, so if it's in good shape, I always do pick it up. It looks like it's a little dusty there. I will take care of that. And then behind it, I also got these at the thrift store. These are hand-painted, made in Japan ceramics, and they are both gorgeous. I do believe they were sold as a pair originally. This is I guess it's probably a vase, but it's got these beautiful hand-painted flowers on it. There are a couple of issues here. You know, it was well loved. So there's a couple of dings right there. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I had to pick it up. I love black ceramics. I know some of you do as well. Here is the matching pitcher. Just look at the colors. It's just beautiful on the black. Old made in Japan there too. And this one, I did not notice any damage on it all. This one is in pretty good shape. And you know, it's going to happen, especially with these hand-painted pieces sometimes. Like the gold might come off, or, you know, if they're used, gosh, that's pretty at all, you know, you're probably going to get a couple of dings here and there. So those are the two beautiful black made in Japan pieces. Okay, so I picked up this hourglass. Not sure yet if I'm going to keep it or if it's going to be for sale. I think it's really cool because the sand is purple. There have been a couple times, like during live sales, where I thought about using a timer, so I went ahead and got it. And I do believe it is vintage. It was labeled so at the antique mall, but I just thought it was really cool that it had purple sand. Okay, then I got these figurines. I got this little dachshund. I have no idea who makes him. He is kind of like a hard resin. He's super cute. Had to get him. Then I got this sleeping Dalmatian. Now this is actually porcelain. I'm not familiar with this line of porcelain figurines, but This is dog-tired fine porcelain, 1994. So definitely vintage. Just this cute Dalmatian. No damage on him. Then I picked up this piece, and I do believe that this has some age to it. It is cold painted. It's this adorable mama seal and her baby, and his eyes are closed. No marking on the bottom. I just thought it was cute, so I went ahead and picked that up. Then I got these. I just thought they were cool. I got these at the antique mall. These are vintage sweetheart mugs, and I got 6 of them. They're in really good shape. I love the style. It's very mid-century looking. So I went ahead and got those. Then I picked up this piece of, I believe this is Federal glass. I've had one of these before. It is this beautiful, smoky, iridescent carnival glass dish. I just love it. I love the colors. I love the way it reflects the light. It's kind of hard to see on this desk, but this is just a gorgeous piece. Love it. Okay, guys. I have one more thing to show you. Oh, I didn't show you these. So these are depression glass, like sherbet glasses, or bowls, and they are uranium. They do have the Federal mark here on the bottom. And let me show you the glow, because gosh, do these glow. Okay, guys, I got my black light out. Aren't they gorgeous? And these I got at Goodwill. I was shocked when I saw them. I, of course, didn't have my black light. That's the other thing. I didn't anticipate having anything to film, so I didn't have my phone with me. I left it charging in the car. And I wish I could have been filming when I found these. Of course, there were only 2. I would have picked them all up if there had been more. But crazy. I can't believe I found this at Goodwill. So I'm going to have to start going back. Again, I don't know if I was just there on a good day or what, but I was really happy with everything I picked up. And I have one more thing to show you that didn't quite fit on the table. Okay, so now I've got it situated. I picked up this amazing Orca statue, large figurine, piece of art. I have not researched it yet. Now, I don't think this is ceramic. It could be some sort of resin. I'm not sure. But it definitely looks like stone. I'm not sure that it is, though. I have to be honest with you. It's heavy, but I feel like maybe it would be a little bit heavier if it was stone. But this is just absolutely stunning. You've got the baby orca here. And one thing I really love about this piece is that the eyes are kind of like a rainbowish, iridescent look to them, which I personally love because I think orcas are magical creatures themselves. And guys, I couldn't believe this was on the shelf at Goodwill. I will probably keep this piece. I really am not sure I'd want to ship it, to be honest with you. You know, if it's something that you're really interested in, you can definitely reach out to me and I can try to, you know, weigh it and see how I could possibly ship it. But it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I love it. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little haul. This is also a / live sale preview. Some of these items will be available in my live sale today. It's coming up soon. It's in just a few hours at 4 Central, 5 Eastern. So I hope to see you guys then. And again, for those of you that know, I apologize that I had to cancel last night. I am feeling better. I so appreciate all the well wishes from you guys. You are the best. I love you guys, and I hope to see you later. Bye-bye.